Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit PDFs through Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a PDF in my Google Drive. However, I won't be editing it through Google Drive itself. Rather, I'll be editing it through Google Docs. However, you can access it through Drive just the same, so let me show you how it is done. As you can see, I have my file over here, and what I want to do is open it up with Google Docs. As I've already mentioned, what you want to do, right click it and hover over Open With, then go and click Google Docs. It'll open up a new tab. However, as you can see, this is for AdBlock Plus. I'm not sure why that is showing, but let me just do that again. Google Docs, and as you can see, it is opening up the PDF in the Google Docs, and here I can edit it however I want. As you can see, this is just a lorem ipsum. I'll just delete all this text and say tutorial text right there. Just click anywhere, and as you can see at the top, it is saved to Drive. Close that down, and now if I open up this PDF, it is again the same thing. However, I have created two new copies, and if I open one up, as you can see, it is the edited one. And to save it as a PDF, just go to File, go to Download, and PDF, and that's all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.